Hi everyone, today we're making Jolly Rancher fidgets, so let's get started. We always want to wash our fidgets first because they are really gross, and we're going to dry them. And I'm creating this little foil wrapper for around my fidget. So it's just a piece of foil that I folded over a few times, and I'm going to take a little stapler and staple it around my fidget, and this is so that the Jolly Ranchers do not leak out of the sides. Now I'm just going to use some non-stick cooking spray and spray into the fidget. I also want to just take a little paper towel and dab off all the excess oil. We don't want it too oily. So just take a paper towel and dab it and spread it all around so that its candy won't stick to your fidget. So now I'm going to fill my little Pop-It with my Jolly Ranchers, and I use about 11 Jolly Ranchers. It gave me a pretty thick piece of candy, so if you wanted it a little thinner, I would say maybe use 8 or 9 Jolly Ranchers. So I'm going to put this on my foil lined tray and put it into my air fryer. And I just did it on bake mode for around 325 degrees for 10 minutes. And it came out pretty bubbly. So if you're going to see right now, I'm pulling it out. And it was more bubbly than I thought it would be. So maybe I would lower the temperature just a tad the next time I make it because I didn't like it so bubbly. So I'm waiting for it to cool before I take it all out of the mold. So now that it's cooled, I'm releasing the little foil. It's so exciting. So let's see. So you see it is on the thicker side. It's about 1/2 inch thick. So I'm just picking off some of the extra little candies that kind of fell through, and I'm peeling it off. So much easier to peel off than the chocolate fidget that I made. And look at how pretty it is. If I were to do it again, I would use less purple, less grape Jolly Ranchers because I think I muddied up my colors. But look at that. I'm putting in the sun. It is so beautiful and it smells so good. Can't wait to eat it. Thanks for watching and bye now.